Anxiety doesn't always look like panic. Sometimes it's a racing heart, a tight chest, or a mind that just won't slow down. But what if I told you you could reset your nervous system in just 60 seconds with one simple breath? This isn't a gimmick. It's called the physiological sigh, and it's been studied by neuroscientists at Stanford University. Here's how it works. When we're anxious, carbon dioxide builds up in the body. The physiological sigh is a natural two-part breath that offloads that CO2 and signals the brain to relax instantly. It's simple. Take one deep inhale through your nose, then a second shorter inhale right after, like you're topping off your lungs. Then slowly exhale through your mouth until it's completely empty. Inhale. Inhale again. Slow exhale. Do this just 2 or 3 times, and within seconds, your heart rate drops, your shoulders relax, and your mind begins to clear. You can use this anytime, before a big meeting, during a stressful commute, or when your thoughts spiral at 2 a.m. It's like a reset button for your nervous system. No apps, no pills, no equipment. We're not taught how to breathe when we're anxious, but maybe we should be. Try it now. 2 sighs, 1 calm body. And if this helped you, imagine how many others could benefit. Share this with someone you care about, and subscribe to Healthology.